Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term zesty. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, zesty is lively, flavorful, or full of zest and energy. People use it when describing something with a fresh, exciting taste or vibe. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Zesty first showed up in the early 1600s, connected to the use of citrus peel or zest. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among food lovers and people talking about personalities. Now let's check out how to use zesty in a sentence. Correct example 1. That pasta sauce is really zesty and spicy, perfect for dinner tonight. Correct example 2. Her outfit was super zesty and caught everyone's attention. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said zesty at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using zesty right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Zesty means lively, flavorful, or full of zest and energy. It started in the early 1600s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Zesty in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.